The Breaker Block Plus indicator is available. Various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and drag the file onto the chart. Run the indicator. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the comment section, and then click the Confirm button. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts searching for and drawing bullish and bearish breaker blocks within the chart. Breaker blocks are identified by first identifying order blocks. A bearish order block is identified, and once broken, it becomes a breaker block. If the price returns and the limit holds, it remains valid. Settings offer input options. Display settings include the indicator's template with dark, light, and auto modes. And if the price returns, this validator will not consider it until it breaks this limit downwards, and the candle below this limit closes. There are options for us in the settings section of this put. The first part is the display settings, which include the custom template of the indicator that has 3 modes: dark theme, light theme, and auto. When you select the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart. When you select the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template on my chart changes with the auto option, where only the colors of the candles change. Bullish candles turn bright green, and bearish candles turn bright red. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart, and by selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template on my chart changes with the auto option, where only the colors of the candles change. Bullish candles turn bright green, and bearish candles turn bright red. The next section is related to the indicator settings. The template that is on my chart, when selecting the auto option, only changes the colors of the candles, with bullish candles turning bright green, and bearish candles turning bright red. The next section is about the indicator settings. Set the number of candles for calculating breaker blocks here. Default is 1000. Enable or disable highlighting intersections, where 2 breaker blocks overlap within a range, keeping the old one. The next section covers level 1 breaker block settings. Activate or deactivate them. Display the last breaker block and set the number of last breaker blocks to display. By intersections, we mean when 2 breaker blocks are identified within a range, the new breaker block overlaps the old one, keeping the old breaker block to avoid them being on top of each other. The next section is about the settings for level 1 breaker blocks, where you can show level 1 breaker blocks, show breaker block, and set how many breaker blocks to show. Breaker block box has 2 modes, normal and wide. Wide mode shows the consumed amount. Normal mode only draws them. The next part is about level 2 breaker blocks or major breaker blocks, and showing major breaker block. Set how many major breaker blocks to show. Selecting dark template. Wide mode shows calculated value. Normal mode only draws them. The next section is about displaying or not displaying level 2 breaker blocks or major breaker blocks, as well as showing or not showing the last breaker block. You can set the number of last major breaker blocks to display in this section. You can also change the type of drawing for the breaker block box and the drawing mode for the breaker block here. Here, I will select the dark template. I will disable the intersections, deactivate brick block 101, and set the mode to wide. After that, I will set the drawing mode to 3. Now, my template has changed to a dark color, and the type of drawing for the box has changed accordingly. Let's change the mode to the first option, and now the drawing type is being displayed. First mode, full is colored, partial is light green. Drawing shows consumption, full is full, green is some left, light mode changes to tutorial ends, which shows you the amount consumed in this way. When it is full, it means that the range is fully consumed, and when there is some of it left, it is displayed in pale green on the graph. In template light mode, the display mode also changes in this way. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section. We would be happy to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.